Guys, welcome back to another episode of Solar Things that's rarely shown because it's not very glamorous. What we're doing today is we're making more wires. As you've seen, you'll probably see in my other episodes, I'm stitching together a bunch of 12-volt batteries in order to power the solar inverter system. And as a result, um, it doesn't come in one nice package. You know, everything's in pieces, so we have to piece it together. And part of the piecing together involves um, making cables. And as I was making cables, I ran out of these heat shrink. So I figured I'd pause the job and get it done properly. So it's not an absolute necessity, and you could probably replace it with what do you call it? With electrical tape. This just looks prettier, you know, when you have it wrapped up like this. Makes the job nicer. So you probably see a strobing effect because this is on the same electrical circuit, and this is probably creating power draw issues. For the LED lamp that's attached to the same electrical circuit. It's alright, we'll be done momentarily. voila. So that's what you have to do from time to time to make cable.